Dog is for tuning my channel, and today I'm going to talk about a replacement of a sat-nav radio for the Note. And before we carry on, you have to be very careful here, because this radio obviously has a code, and it is paired with the car, so you can't just go on eBay and buy a radio. I mean, you can, but it's not gonna work. So that's the mistake I did. Sorry about that little light here. I think maybe this way is better. Obviously the camera is now fixed, so I can't really move it around. Now you will have a problem, because the encoding is around 300 pounds. Now if you want to know how it's done, I can't put it online, obviously, for obvious reasons, but it can be done, and then you're ready to go. To purchase a unit like that is around 200 pounds, 250. I was lucky I got mine for 39. And make sure you buy it from an eBayer who is it's a car breaker, because otherwise maybe someone stole it, and then you will have a stolen radio, which is not very nice. Now again, the situation is quite straightforward. You have, which I removed already, and that tripod really sucks. All right, I can't believe this is rubbish. Right, anyway, there is a rubber mat which you have to remove, and then there are two screws which look precisely like this, and then on the bottom here there is a piece of plastic, but this tripod is really bad. There's a piece of plastic which you have to remove, and there are another couple of screws. We get to them a little bit later. I'm just worried about that rubbish tripod, but hopefully you guys will get the idea what I'm doing here. Right, so let me go to the other side. Right, so the screws had been removed, as you seen. And I'll open my toolkit here, and then put myself into position so I can start the work. Right, sorry for the shaking as well. It's just all a bit of a pain in the neck. And then just lift it out from here. When the screws are removed, it comes out straight away. Now, this is what you will be confronted with. And we have to remove this screw here. I don't know if you can see it, possibly not. This is just a rubbish tripod, I'm really sorry. Anyway, this screw here needs to remove. There is another one on the other side, so we can take the radio off. The radio I bought has this bracket already on it. So, but the way it looks, it's not the same. I don't think it is the same. But regardless, we have to take it out. We worry about later. But that bracket is not the same, so I need to swap the brackets over as well. Now this is working for the Note and for the Qashqai, and obviously for the Micra as well. The very same radio. All right, and remove this. The radio will fit. There is no question about that. It's just the bracket, because my radio is from a Micra. Now I'm putting it to a Nissan Note, but since it's all encoded, it doesn't really matter. Normally you have to pair that with the car, so you have to be careful, because dodgy mechanics are going to charge you a lot of money. Now this is the situation, as you can see. Hopefully, anyway. Let me turn it towards here. Now this is my original bracket, yeah, and the bracket which came with the radio is different, yeah. You can clearly see it wouldn't fit in. Therefore I need to remove the bracket from my original radio and put it onto it. But those screws are all fitting, and all you need is first of all you need is love. But then if you have an Allen key, that's also quite helpful. Obviously John Lennon didn't have to do this kind of works, because back then he had no issues with radios with sat-nav, because there weren't any, and he was a crappy driver anyway, so I've been told. This is not fitting in here. Now this is a disgrace. Try a different size, hopefully that will work. Oh, sugar. Right. Yeah, this is not an Allen key, this is a Torx, and this is now a bit of a problem, because I'm not sure. I might be lucky and have the Torx. I think I will be lucky here, have the right Torx. Yes. Right, let me give you the figure as well. It is T15. You need a T15 Torx. So it's not an Allen key, it's a Torx. Right, I hope you can see, because I can't see the camera now, so I really hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Just remove this. Right. Obviously for the Micra the bracket is different, but this doesn't really matter. The radio is the very same, so nothing to worry about it. Make sure don't lose the screws, of course. Right, turn it over. Now if you guys want this encoding to be done, it's around £300. There is maybe a little leeway, not too much though, because it's a big job, and there's nothing you can do. There is no YouTube videos, because obviously this is not that straightforward. You really have to know what you're doing, and I've got the connections. So if you're interested, just let me know in a comment, and I will help you. Right, now it's just a 1-to-1 swap. This this is funny, because now this is a cross screw. This is now a cross screw. Crosshead Phillips. Boom. 1, 2. Right. Right. And now just place it over this one. Fits perfectly, of course. Fits perfectly. I'm not gonna bother with the Torx. Just gonna use those screws. All right. And if you're somewhere in London or close by, I'm quite happy to do it for you. You know, if you need it to be swapped over, just buy one on eBay, make sure it's working. I give it to my man, he sorts it out. Then we plug it in, we check if it's working on yours, and the payment will be done after the job is done, so you're not going to lose any money as such. Right, so this is done. Let's take the other side as well. Now I appreciate this, a lot of downtime on this video, but while I'm doing this job, I'm giving you bits and bobs of information. Example, as a general knowledge, it's not bad to know that when John Lennon passed his driving license in the age of 24, several big companies turned up at his doorstep trying to sell him a car, and he went for, there was a Ferrari, there was an Aston Martin, and I think a Mercedes. so he went for a blue Ferrari. And another information which is quite interesting to know, Ferraris came only in red. There was only one exception, and the very first Ferrari who came in a different color, which was Enzo's Ferrari's mistress, who wanted a different color, and of course the old man then ordered the company to paint that car the color she wants. She's been, you know, she's been a very good girl to him, so why not, you know, if that is what only takes to repaint the car to a different color, to have someone servicing you, then why not, right? So that pops right in there. Let me close the door. Pops right in there. And now we put this couple of screws back in here. I hope you can see, but it's kind of self-explanatory, but I appreciate if you don't want to do it and you don't have the skills, then do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be there for you. So, second screw is back. The second screw is back, so I'm not sure, was it the third one or not? Nah, that's it. No, there was no other. Oh, there was another one, but I don't know where I took it out. There's 3 screws for sure, but I don't know where the third was from. Could have been. This is weird. This is weird. Definitely a third screw, but I can't figure out. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. But I might use the I don't know. Yeah, well, there is definitely a third screw here. But I don't waste it for. I'm not gonna worry about it because I can't see here anywhere where it could be. Right, so now let's plug in all these leads, which are here. Let me turn the camera towards you so you can see a bit more. Oh my god, what not would I give for a decent tripod? Oh, this is such a rubbish. Unbelievable that people get away to be able to sell crap like that. Absolutely disgusting. Alright. Okay. Turn it over. Try to plug this in. A little bit of a fiddly situation here, but it will make it work for sure. Don't really have a choice. Right. Right, so there are five cables. And one is back. Ooh, sweating like a pig as well. Right, okay, maybe it's better that way, so you can see here, right? But of course these cables are not long enough, obviously. So this is ridiculous. So tight. Well, normally I don't mind if it's tight, but this is tight and dry. Now this one I do mind. This is so tight, guys. This is so tight. And you won't be able to see anything. So I'm afraid you have to trust me on that one. I can't put the camera close. Right. It's extremely tight here with the cables. But the good thing is that you can't plug it wrongly, because every cable is everything is different, so it won't go into the wrong one. Ooh, need to clean my face because I'm sweating like a pig. Sorry you can't see nothing on that one. I do apologize, but it's completely impossible for me to put the camera there. I mean, I can put it there, but then the whole swapping would take a couple of hours. And right, so all 5 are in. I don't know if I can. No, I can't. Anyway, now this is in. As you can see, we have the 2 screws here and then 2 on the bottom. But before we do all this, let's actually see what we have done on the radio itself. Right. Ooh. Even the wipers are. Right, so it's happily coming on. Nice one. System is locked. Enter the pin. Okay. So the pin, obviously I'm not gonna give you the pin. Just in case you're gonna come and steal it, then you have the pin. Wouldn't that be that sexy? But you know, I'm not saying you bad people, but some of them are rotten out there. Right, and then that's that. Off you go. Off you go. That's it. Now, as I said, it's not that straightforward, because you need to encode the radio. And of course this is done that people don't steal each other's radios, which is absolutely fine, but I've got the receipt that I purchased this radio on the eBay, so I have no beef. And as you need this, if you want this, if you struggle, then just let me know, and we're gonna sort yours out. Au revoir.